Simple, quick, and super tasty. Ideal for a protein breakfast. The perfect recipe to best face the day. In today's video, guys, I show you how I make my own version of avocado egg sandwich. Let's go! "10 minutes and what a breakfast, super protein and able to win over even the finest palate thanks to its simplicity. I love the creaminess of the yolk together with the spicy avocado and wholemeal bread, especially this toast, which thanks to the fine cut makes it slightly crispy and soft. Look, here, just like this. And below I leave you more of my recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next week.